Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you how to divide by 10. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. Example 1. Part A. So we have 90 divided by 10. So we can just cancel this 0 with this 0. So it becomes 9 divided by 1. So 9 divided by 1, the answer is 9. 86 divided by 10. So we know that the answer should be smaller than 86. And because of 86 is whole number, so this means that the decimal point is right at the back of 86. So to divide by 10, we know the answer is smaller. So the decimal point is moving to the left instead of moving to the right. So this means that this decimal point moves 1 unit to the left. So that becomes 8.6. We cancel this 0. So 8.6 divided by 1. So the answer is 8.6. There you go. And we have 474 divided by 10. Again, there is no decimal point. So this means that the decimal point right at the back of the number. And we know that divided by 10, the answer should be smaller. So the decimal point here, it moves 1 unit to the left. So it becomes 47.4. And we cancel that. 47.4 divided by 1 is 47.4. So there you go. 8 divided by 10. So no decimal point, it means it's right back here. So we cancel this 0 by moving the decimal point to the right 1 unit. So that becomes 0.8 divided by 1. The answer is 0.8. But we do not write 0.8. We just put a 0 in front. So that becomes 0.8. There you go. Part E. We have 6,360 divided by 10. So we can cancel this 0 with this 0. So that will become 636 divided by 1. So the answer is 636. Otherwise, you can also do like this. So there is no decimal point. It means right at the back here. We cancel this 0 by moving the decimal point 1 unit to the left. So 636. So 636.0. Or you can just leave as 636. 500 divided by 10, we can cancel this way. So that becomes 50. So we just cancel a 0. Okay. Now, part G, we have 76,000 divided by 10. So the answer should be smaller. So this 0 here, we cancel with this. So it becomes 7,600 divided by 1. So the answer is 7,600. So there you go. Part H. So we have 8,000 divided by 10. So this 0 here, we cancel with this 0. So 800 divided by 1. So the answer is 800. So there you go. So part I. So we have 740,000 divided by 10. Again, we just simply cancel this 0 with this 0. So we have 74 and 3 0 left. 1, 2, 3. So 74,000. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me just go through them with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So first one, part A, 63 divided by 10. So no decimal point, it means it's right at the back of 63. So the decimal point right at the back here. So we divide by 10 and we know that the answer should be smaller. So we cancel this 0 by moving this decimal point 1 unit to the left. So it becomes 6.3. So the answer is 6.3. Part B, 180 divided by 10. So we can simply cancel this 0 with this 0. So 18 divided by 1. Or you can think like the decimal point is right at the back of this number here. You move 1 unit and you divide by 10 by cancel this out. So that becomes 18.0. So 18.0 is exactly the same as 18. There you go. 9 divided by 10. Again, the decimal point is right at the back of number 9. Okay? So divided by 10, we know that the number should be smaller than 9. So just keep that in mind. So by moving 1 unit to this, that becomes, cancel this 0 out, become 0.9. So that means the answer is 0.9. So there you go. Part D, 500 divided by 10. So we simply cancel this 0 with this 0. So the answer is 50. So let me just write this down. So 50. And part E, so we have 64,000 divided by 10. So we simply cancel this 0 with this 0 because we know that we divided by 10. The answer should be smaller than 64,000. Okay, so now it becomes 6,400. 6,400. Now part F. So we have 340,000 divided by 10. So we simply cancel this 0 with this 0. So it becomes 34,000. So 34,000. So there you go. So now we have 783,600 divided by 10. So we just cancel this 0 with this 0. So there you go. So the answer is 78360. So there you go. Part H. So we divide by 10. Again, we just cancel this 0 with this 0. So the answer is 756,000. Part I. So we have 930,000 divided by 10. We just simply cancel this 0 with this 0. So that means 93000. There you go. And I hope you got all of them correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me just go through it with you. So we need to work out how much it costs for 1 can. And we know that 10 cans, just let me write this down, 10 cans is $23. And we want to work out 1 can. So we divide by 10. Okay, 1 can. We divide by 10. So to divide by 10 here, so no decimal point mean it's right at the back here. Okay, decimal point at the end of number 3. We cancel this 0 here by moving 1 unit to the left. So it becomes 2.3. And because we're dealing with money, so we need to write 2 decimal places. So I can simply just add a 0 at the back here. So we go, therefore, $2.30 per can. So there you go. Let's go through second example. So we have 0.5 divided by 10. So we know that the answer should less than 0.5 because we divide by 10. So therefore, the decimal point here, we move 1 unit to the left and then we cancel the 0. So 0.05 is the answer. But we do not write 0.05, we just put a 0 in front. So 0.05, that is the answer. 8.6 divided by 10, again, this decimal point here, we move 1 to the left because we know that the answer should less than 8.6, okay? So cancel the 0 out. So the answer is 0.86. Again, we just put a 0 in front here. So it becomes 0.86. Part C. So we have 26.8 divided by 10. So we know that the answer should be less than 26.8. So this means that the decimal point is moved 1 unit to the left. So this is move 1 to this unit here. So we cancel. So that becomes 2.68. So there you go. 8.30 divided by 10. So with this decimal point here, we move 1 unit to the left, we cancel that. 0.830. So it's the same as 0.830. Or I can just simply write 0.83. Still correct, okay? Part E, we have 0.028 divided by 10. Of course, the answer should be smaller. So this unit here, this decimal point here, we move 1 unit to this side. This cancel out. So 0.0028. So the answer is 0.0028. There you go. Part F. So we have 238.79 divided by 10. So what we do? We move this decimal point 1 unit to the left. So the number will get smaller, okay? And then we cancel this 0. So that becomes 23.879. There you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? So let me just go through them with you. So 0.9 divided by 10. So this decimal point here, move 1 unit to the left. So this cancel out. So that becomes 0.09. But we put a 0 in front. So 0.09. And 9.8 divided by 10, which is move 1 unit to this side here. This is cancel. So that becomes 0.98. Part C, 70.3 divided by 10. So we just move 1 unit to this side. We cancel the 0. 7.03 divided by 1. So the answer is 7.03. Part D, 0.08 divided by 10. So this decimal point here, move 1 unit to the left. We cancel that. 0.008, it becomes 0.008. So that's the answer. So there you go. Part E, we have 56.87 divided by 10. So this decimal point here, we move 1 unit to the left. So cancel the 0 out. So the answer is 5.687. There you go. Part F, we divide by 10, so we cancel the 0. This decimal point here, move 1 to the side, so it becomes 90.426. So there you go. Part G, so 0.0089 divided by 10, so the answer even smaller. So cancel the 0 by moving this decimal point 1 unit to the left. So the answer is 0.00089. So there you go. Part H. So we divide by 10. So this decimal point here, move 1 to the left. Cancel this out. So the answer is 18.70. So 18.70. So if you write 18.7, still correct. Okay, keep that in mind. Last one. So we divide by 10. So this decimal point here, move 1 unit to the left. And we can put a 0 in front here if you wish. So that becomes 0.0045. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? So let me just go through it with you. So we need to work out how much it costs for 1 pen. So we just go 28.50, which is divided by 10. Okay, as simple as that. Because we need to work out how much does it cost for 1 pen. So to divide by 10, so we just move this decimal point 1 unit to the left. We cancel this out. So that becomes 2.850. But because we're dealing with money, so we can just write up to 2 decimal place. So you go therefore $2.85 each. So there you go. I hope you got it correct, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.